medical science, there is a thing called placebo effect. Placebo means the person believes and even no medicine is given and they get cured. It's a placebo. Am I right or wrong? Yeah. And then there is another thing called nocebo effect. Nocebo means you scare a person to death. And I will request, please avoid using nocebo effect. And nocebo effect, because in today the medical profession has become more ethical. And in that more ethical, what happens is when the diagnosis is there and the patient is looking at the doctor, then doctor take out the pen and a pad and then see your intestine is here. And here this is the infection. And this infection is causing this. He is horrified and he's watching. And this is going to be like this. And if this medicine does not work, then it will become this. And then I will try and this, and then it can lead to, one of, this is called the nocebo effect. In fact, one sadhak, he had reflex esophagus, that is, the acid was going up. And the doctor said, if we do not control it, it can lead to esophagus cancer. So I requested that this nocebo should not be given to anyone, because the young patient, he was looking very gloomy. And many times what has happened is that every patient believe the doctor as God. And every word which they speak, they believe so much in totality that many times, even if the disease is not there, they materialize. So one of the doctor, they said it is the mandatory, the FDA USA has said it is mandatory on our part to teach the consequences of a disease. I said, I don't agree. If you have to teach the consequences of every disease, then the moment the child is born, you must tell him the consequences, that he is going to die. So, it is a request. I don't know how ethical or not, but convince the patient that you are going to be all right. You will become all right. And there was the experiment was done on placebo. A group of cancer patients, 10 cancer patients, the two groups were taken. One group was told that this is cancer and it is not cured, and all the facts were told to them. And there was another group where the placebo was done, that miracles do happen. There are people, those who got cured of cancer, and something will happen. We are going to pray, you also pray, and this is the medicine, it's the latest medicine, we are going to work on it, and you are going to be all right, you will be cured of it. And after 10 days, when the tests were done, the first group was normal, whatever deterioration or whatever is there. And another where the placebo was done, they found a particular chemical, their blood, their cells, they were secreting. And when the tests were done, they found that they were secreting antidote for cancer. Although the quantity was less, but the body has its own self-defense mechanism. So it is better that instead of telling the consequences, we should tell them that I am going to work, you are going to work, and the God is going to work. And tell the patients to go on the natural way and becoming more happy and all that. So that is there. It is a message, it is a request. Instead of nocebo, create placebo.